What up, y'all? It's your girl Selena coming at you, and today I'm going to discuss with my university students how you can make money while you're going to university. Now, everything that I'm going to tell you is something that I've either done or I've seen my friends do, and it has worked for them or it has worked for me. So you can take some of these tips and bits and you can apply it to your own life, so that if you're going to university and you find that you're struggling with managing your money or having money to buy groceries or to pay your rent or to pay your tuition, then stay tuned for more from this video. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So the first thing, the number one thing that I will always recommend to my university students to do is to go on the work and travel program. Any university student that I know, I tell them that they should go on the work and travel program. Okay? Now, you might be wondering, how am I going to pay for this program? Or what is this program? If you don't know what is this program, by the way, if you don't know what the work and travel program is or the cultural exchange program is, go ahead and watch this, click this link right here, because I have a few videos on my channel that speaks about the work and travel program. So if you don't know anything about the work and travel program, the agencies, the fees, how to go on it, what you need to go on it, the process, if you don't know any of that and you want to know, then go ahead and watch my videos on the work and travel program. I'll put the link for those videos in the description box, as well as I'll leave a link somewhere here, okay? So you might be wondering, how am I going to pay for this work and travel program if I don't have any money? Let me tell you something. Okay, if you're in your first year of university, start investigating which agencies are the good ones that charges around $1,000 to $2,000. I know for SWAT is a good work and travel agency. They charge $1,600 and something US dollars. And for your first year of university, you might not be able to go on it because you don't have any money, but start saving towards it. Start putting in your mind that in second year, I'm going to go on this program. So if you need to ask some family members to help contribute towards making that payment, or if you need to ask, your family, if you have really good friends, I don't know, if you could borrow that money or something, then do that. Because let me tell you that when you go on that work and travel program, if you borrowed money to go on the work and travel program and you work really hard, when you go on that work and travel program, you will make back the money to give back whoever you borrowed it from and more. So you'll be able to pay back whoever you borrowed that money from, and you'll have money to send yourself back on the program, plus any other little things that you need to do. So if you need to borrow that money from family, your parents, your uncle, your grandpa, your grandma, if you need to borrow that money, if you need to save up for it, if you need to just cut back on the amount of fast food that you're buying, or the amount of unnecessary stuff that you're purchasing throughout the year for your first year or your second year, whatever year you're in, and you want to go on the program, if you need to save up for it, I advise you to save up that money so that you can go the following year, because you will make the money back and more. So just think about that. Work and travel program, if you are a university student, you are eligible. You have that privilege of going on the work and travel program. There are other programs that persons outside of university can go on to work overseas and to get cultural experience, but it's a bit more difficult to go on those programs if you're outside of university. while you're in university, it is way easier to go on the work and travel program. There are a lot of agencies in Jamaica that caters to the work and travel program, and every year a lot of university students go overseas on the work and travel program. So if you are a university student and you are struggling financially, one of the best thing you could do to make money while you're in university is to go on the work and travel program. It is not a bed of roses. It's a lot of hard work, but it's worth it. You reap your reward, you know. So go and check out the work and travel program. Go and check out my video that gives details about the work and travel program, and strongly consider going on it in the summer. Okay, my second tidbit is gonna be appeal to needs on campus. So you're a university student. That means that you are passing a lot of students on a daily basis, especially if you're on campus, especially if you live on hall. You are passing through a lot of students on a daily basis. Get to know their needs, get to know their wants, so that you can appeal to those needs and you can appeal to those wants. Okay, for instance, during exam season, students tend to be more peckish. They feel for something nice all the time because exam stress, and they're less likely to cook their own food. They're less likely to, you know, do things on their own. So appeal to that need. Start selling some cooked food. Start baking some brownies. Buy and sell some donuts. Buy and sell some sweets. Do those things that you know that your group wants. The people that you're seeing on a daily basis, that they actually want it and they actually need it. Exam season coming up, and I realize that every exam season people bawling about them that have pen to go to exam. Start selling some pens. Like, appeal to the needs of the people that you're around. Okay, that's the second thing. The third thing I would suggest to you is to start investing. You are not too young to start your investments. Okay, for instance, UWI has a credit union. It has JN, it has Scotiabank, it has NCB, it has, I don't know if I said JM, but they have many financial institutions on the campus. Same thing with UTech, same thing I'm assuming with NCU and Caribbean Maritime Institute, and all the universities across Jamaica. They partner with a lot of financial institutions to be on their campuses. So if you're a university student, you have easy access to these financial institutions. So go to these financial institutions, find out about their saving plans, find out about the interest on the saving plans. Instead of keeping that money in your regular bank account that you easily spend on fast food when you feel for something nice, or you spend on whatever that you don't need, start putting those into accounts that build interest. For instance, credit union on UWI campus and UTech campuses at Educom. Credit unions are such a good place to just start simple investments. You can have a savings account with them that has a high interest that it won't make you rich overnight, but you can save in that account, and instead of making 0 interest on your money, you can make 2% interest on your money. So think about those things. They can start with JMMB. JMMB, they offer unit trust, they offer the stock market, they offer all of those stuff. So you can start with JMMB if you want. If you have that amount of money, you can start with JMMB and you can go ahead and do those investments, because they have certain things catered towards university students. So if you're a university student, go and check out. Before I was rudely interrupted by my phone. Okay, if you're a university student, go and check out these organizations that do ambassador programs. These are things that my friends have done, these are things that I have done, and they have helped us to earn money throughout university. They have helped to pay tuition, they have helped to do investments, they have helped to get needs or wants that we might have and fulfill goals that we may have. They have helped to do all of these things. So if you're a university student and you start university and you're in university or whatever aspect of university you are, take these tips and bits and apply them to your university experience. There are a lot of opportunities on the university. Another thing I would say that you could do is go to the placement and careers, and you can probably actually get a job on the university campus itself. Depending on the university that you go, you might get a good amount of money for it. You might, it all depends, but that's up to you. But that is an option as well, so you can check out your placements and careers at your university. So with all that said, I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did like this video, because I forgot to say it in the beginning, if you did like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you to all the persons that have subscribed to my channel so far. I really appreciate you guys. You guys do motivate me. You guys do motivate me on a daily basis to just keep this YouTube thing going. So I hope I am helpful to you, just as how you are helpful to me. And give this a like, comment, and share. Wow, YouTuber things. So you know what, I almost say without further ado. Anyways, bye.